my channel. Today we're going to be making a waterfall jacket, and as you all know, Touch of Love Stitches is all about sewing and techniques. So today I don't want to bore you about starting it all over, but I'm just going to explain to you so that we can get the main fact of it, so I don't do a lengthy video for you. So okay, so today waterfall jacket, you're going to basically cut it first of all like you're cutting a circle skirt, and to get your jacket very full, it depends on how long you want it. So normally I will use my hip measurement, then I'll divide it. My hip measurement, I had about 10 inches. It's up to you. So my hip measurement here is 44, and I just added 10 to it, and I got 54, and I divided it into 2. I got 27. So that is what I got from this fold here. You can see this is a fold. From this fold here up to here is my 27, which is half of the calculation I just said. My hip measurement plus 10 inches. You can add or less, it depends on you, but the fuller, the more you put, the fuller your waterfall jacket will be. Okay, so now I'm just going to cut that circle. I just measured 27 all through. From this point here down here, I've got 27. So I just did it all around like that, like we're doing a circle skirt. So I'm just going to cut that out now. Remember, when you're making a waterfall jacket, you have to use a very light material, because then it's going to fall properly on you. Don't try and use any stiff material. So crepe, chiffon, that's fine, as long as it's very soft. So you can see the shape now. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to open up the circle, and we start from one top here at the peak of this one. Make sure all the tips are together, because when you fold it, when you want to drop your collar, you don't want it uneven. Okay, so now normally this is the point of our fold. Let's calculate it again. From here to here is 28, which is the center. Okay, so from this center, normally it depends on how you want the collar also to fall. If you want it to be really droppy, you can make it any length you want, but I'm using 20. You can use 15, you can use 16, but I'm going to be using 20. As you can see, my marking I've already done here. So at that point 20, can you see? At that point 20, that is where you're going to draft your shoulder blade. That's divided by 2. The one I'm working with is 9, so is 8.5. I just added half an inch to it, which is 8, and you got 8.5. Probably the shoulder of that person is 17, so just add half an inch to that place so that when you sew it. Okay, so from that point you're going to drop down you can measure also the same thing here on your bust line, so you know where to stop. 9, here is 9, 8.5 plus half an inch. So now from here to here, you measure your armhole divided by 2. The armhole I'm working with is 22, but because this is a very light material, you don't want to expose your armpits a lot, but it's up to you. If you still want it exposed, you can use your exact armhole. So this one, I'm just reducing it by 1 inch, so I've got 10 inches here. So you do the straight line, which I've already drawn here, and find the midpoint of that straight line so that you can get a shape like this. It won't be full circle because you don't want your armpit to be exposed, like I said. And how I got this shape is because I still want to maintain my 10 wideness of my armhole, because everything I want to be should be 20. So when I did that, that gave me exact 10. So the other side too will be 10, which makes it 20. So the easy way to cut this one now, you're going to carry your material like this. Make sure everything is equal. And then carry the material like this. And do this way. Did you see that? And then you can now cut. I will cut from the, I raise it up just a tiny bit, teeny bit. And that's it. And it's ready. And I'm just going to place it on my mannequin and I will show you how it's dropping. It's as easy as ABC. All you have to do now is tape round with your bias binders tape, tape it round, fold round also with your tape, and it's done. And that's it. Okay, thank you.